Okay, Gabriel the babe.
Don't call me that.
Oh my. What's up, guys? How's it going? Good. Okay, so today we got Gabe over and Nathan.
Hello.
2 for 1. It's like we're having a party. We don't need nobody.
Let's bring a net and a bucket of water.
Gabe has brought his fishing pole.
This is not gonna suck like the first part, but it's gonna be better. We're gonna have GoPros and stuff, and like.
Yes, we have GoPros. I've got myself a GoPro. We got a windscreen on, so there's not gonna be too much wind. And not only that, but there's something even better about this.
What?
Let's show them outside when we get out there. So let's go. Quentin, have fun in here by yourself, loser. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. It's recording. It is recording on the GoPro now.
When a paisano puts his spaghetti noodle in a Mamma Mia's ravioli, a babbolino comes out covered in prosciutto about 9 months later.
Because I have the big camera, I'm gonna stay out of the boat even though it's my YouTube channel.
Because water. Hold on a minute, let me throw the paddles in.
And Nathan and Gabe are going out.
Wait,
and
what
fishing.
if this falls?
See, if that heavier person sits in the back and the lighter person, oh my word, sits in the front, then we have a boat on an upper angle so that the leak doesn't fill it.
Got a boat.
I'm on. You have.
Now pass my paddle.
Alright, ready? You want me to push you off?
I got it.
You got it.
Alright, good luck, boys.
Alright, yeah.
Catch something big.
Yeah. On a sailboat.
Okay, we're gonna paddle into this place in that area. Okay, so
Where's a good place to catch fish?
wait, sit in the middle of the boat. Alright. You're gonna paddle. Yeah. Why do I feel like I'm Don't do that!
Broken hole.
Okay, guys, I don't mean to be mean, but if you could fall in, that'd be amazing clickbait. Thank you.
We fell into ice-filled waters.
I'd appreciate it.
We fell into ice-filled waters, no clickbait.
It looks like the back of the boat is going to sink.
Russell, I got a great video. We get stranded in the middle of the pond. Stranded in the middle of the pond. And then the last two died at the same time, and they both had bite marks on the stomach.
Guys, you didn't even shut off the camera. Kidding.
Okay, I'm gonna hop off. If I get stranded, you come back and save me, okay?
What are you doing?
Alright. Nathan's hopping off of the,
Why?
Because why not?
bait.
You might want to watch out.
What? What?
Shoot. Dang it. I missed.
Oh, that was trash.
Well,
Oh yeah, by the way, Russell, from putting my hand in the water, I may have developed a minor frostbite.
really?
Yeah,
Nice.
basically does is turn part of your skin white.
Oh, that's it?
No, row the other way. You need to come to the island. Ah, I'm slipping. Yeah, I got it. I'm like crawling on the.
Man, that's hot.
Oh.
Cold water seeping into my foot.
Oh my gosh, be careful. Hold on.
Don't let the boat go.
Don't forget black. Oh, your tackle box.
If you liked the video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Let's hit 100 subscribers before New Year's. I will see you in the next one. See you later.